Why you don't have Instagram's new features on both accounts. Hey everyone! In today's quick video, I'm going to break down why some of your Instagram accounts might have the newest features while others don't. Even though you're using the same phone, same app, and the same version. If this has been confusing or frustrating, stick around and I'll explain everything clearly. Alright, let's jump right in. First, go ahead and open Instagram on your phone and switch between both of your accounts. You'll probably notice that one account shows the new features, while the other one seems completely unchanged. Before you start worrying, there's actually a very simple explanation. Instagram never rolls out new features to everyone at once. Instead, they use something called a phased rollout, also known as A/B testing. Here's what that means. When Instagram introduces a new feature, they release it to only a small percentage of users at first, usually around 10% of the entire platform. And they do this for a few reasons. To test how users interact with the feature, to measure whether people actually like or use it, and most importantly, to detect bugs or technical issues before the full release. So if one of your accounts has access to the new feature and the other one doesn't, that doesn't mean anything is wrong with your phone, your app, or even your settings. It simply means Instagram placed one of your accounts in a different test group. Now, if you want to increase your chances of getting features early, there's a small trick you can try. Open your Instagram app. Tap your profile icon in the bottom right. Tap the three horizontal lines in the top right to open the menu. Scroll down to the Your App and Media section. Tap Early Access to Features. Look for the option to join the beta program and switch it on. Beta testers often receive new features earlier than regular users, so enabling this may help you get updates faster, although it's still not guaranteed. Once Instagram finishes testing and confirms that the feature works well and people like it, they eventually release it to all users across all devices automatically, and that's basically it. While there's no way to instantly force new features to appear, now you know exactly why your accounts are different and what you can do to possibly get early access. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit that like button and drop a comment below if this has happened to you on your accounts.